Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So being a creator, I'm a huge proponent of that, whether you are new to being a creator or maybe you are a long-term veteran and actively creating right now. But the one question that I haven't addressed is, can you be creating too much? Can this become a bad thing? And so I'm going to go ahead and talk about that today, because it might seem like on my channel, all I ever talk about is creating. But there's also a flip side as well. And so the flip side of it is, if you creating at the level that you're at is causing you problems, whether that is physical problems, mental, emotional, or relationship problems, then you should dial that back. But for me, my overall thoughts on that is, at least when you're starting out, just create as much as possible. So then you could kind of see where those areas are that maybe you need to scale back or adjust things. And that's about the only way that you could find out if creating is too much for you. So those are my thoughts on that. If you had any thoughts on this as well, whether you are new to creation or you are a veteran creator, be sure to leave that in the comment area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.